Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot here with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. For that you have many ways for. Let me show you. The first one works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button for. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you're also able to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or pretty cool is also here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. No? After you can share this edited part or with the arrow, you will send it to your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And if you want, you can have also here a screenshot of your phone display. For that, use the power button and the lower volume key. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having here a screenshot as well. Where to find the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And here at the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go here to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.